Under this tab, it is also possible to add the supplier information to the purchase order system. This is quite helpful because once the system is saved here, you will never have to type in the supplier details again when creating purchase orders. Since the system will save all supplier information automatically in that list once someone creates a purchase order, in most cases it won't be necessary to add information through this tab. However, you will be able to make changes here if you see any mistakes or see the need for adjustments. If you are running many projects with our system, you can also import supplier information from your previous projects. In addition, you can decide if all new suppliers should receive final approved purchase order PDF documents via email automatically. If you don't want a general emailing to all suppliers, you can alternatively activate that feature for each supplier individually.